Hello my crafty friends, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Today I am here to share with you my collab for the hashtag 757CWA and company. Use those Dollar Tree stickers. Yes, this is the time that we're going to share with you guys what we had created. And we usually do our collab for the use those stickers from Dollar Tree every month, the second Sunday of the month. And the ladies that's in this collab along with me is Dawn, Dare to Be Creative, Sheba, Sheba Finds, Susan, Susie Q Crafter 21, and Donna, which she have an Instagram, is D_K_crafts. So you guys, please make sure you go over to these ladies' channel, show them some love, and see what they had creative. And also make sure you leave a comment down below. So yes, I had came up, well, I didn't actually came up with it, but I had watched a video from Bona. Her YouTube channel is Live, Love, and Scrap. And I had got some inspiration over from her YouTube channel. And she had did a tutorial on Paperclips Flip Book. And you guys, this is my first time ever doing it. And I just thought it was so stinky cute of the outcome that I had done. So before I share with you what I create, let me share with you what I use to make my project. So first of all, the papers I had used this, what's the size of this paper? Is 4.5 by 6.5. Printed cardstock by DCWV. The name of it is Coral Contour. So I use this paper pad. Also, I use this Recollection paper pad. It measures 4.5 by 6.5. And the name of this collection is called Fairy Tale. Beautiful paper. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful paper. And the last paper collection I had used, this also is by DCWV. And the name of this collection is called the Mariposa. So yes, I went in my stash, pull out some old paper collection. And I know you guys had these paper collection in your stash. Also, I had used these clips that Sheba, and her YouTube channel is Sheba Fine, which she is one of the collaborators. She had gifted me these clips. It looked like little pen clips. So she had gifted these to me, and I had used the gold clip on my project. And I had used this coat and metallic gold thread. Also, you guys, I have really went deep, deep, deep into my stash and found this device that I had never used, and this is my first time using it. And this is called Boy. It makes pom-pom and tassel maker. And I had pulled this out. I had this, I don't know how long, but it been a long time I had this in my stash, and I finally had cracked it open. I know it's covering it, but let me just take it out just to show you guys. And I do remember where I got it from. I got it from Joanne a while back. And it comes in this container. Everything is falling apart, but I'm going to share with you. This is what it is. And it got different sizes that you can make your pom-pom. And then, let me see if I can pull this out. Then here's the tray that you can make your tassel. And it all nested in here. in this container, and I love how it is. And here's the plastic top. And that's it. I believe I had this over maybe 5 or 6 years and just never used it. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot all about it. But yes, I had got it out my stash and I had put it to good use, you guys. Yes. So I'm excited that I did pull it out to play with it. And also, let me pull out some more items. I know I'm taking forever, but I love to share what I use in my project. So, you guys, I had used my Dollar Tree stickers. You see I used that. And I used this Dollar Tree stickers. And I really went way back. And for those who used to shop at Dollar Tree back in the days, you could tell these tags had changed over the years. This used to be their old tag. And it was just called Stickers Autocollant. And these are actually from Dollar Tree. And I know because I'm from Virginia, it got the address which is in Chesapeake, Virginia. So yes, I really went way back in my stash. And this came from Dollar Tree also. I don't know if y'all had picked any of these up. I used some butterflies. These also from Dollar Tree. This is way back. And it had the same, what is these called? You know what I mean. But they had the same closure of that. But yes, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. And then, I used this yarn that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And let me see. I'm trying to show you what else I used from Dollar Tree. So that was all I used from Dollar. No, it's not. I got one more sticker. I used this sticker from Dollar Tree also. Then I had pulled out some blings. I used in my project. Then I had picked some charms up a while back from Tuesday morning, and I had used one of the charms in this package. I had some tassel in my stash. I had picked up these charms from Tuesday morning also, and I used one of the butterfly in that. Then I had used these charms which say made with love, and I picked these up from Joann. I don't know if you can see it, but I got it in this gold. Let me see if you can see it. I'm going to try to hold it up. I got them in gold, and I also got them in silver, and I got them from Joann. And also I pulled out my whole stack of word dies. I mean, not word stickers, which I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Then I had went in my stash again and put out some bees. And then I used this Recollection mini butterfly. So yes, you guys, I had really went shopping in my craft room to make my project. So you guys, with that being said, let me go ahead and share with you what I created. So the first thing I had made, oh my gosh, this is my first project. So I made my pom-pom along with a hanging charm. I keep on, what do we call these? It's gonna come back to me. And I bet you, I hope I can remember that. But anyway, this is the first page of my tag. Oh yeah. So, before I finish sharing that, I had these jumbo clip in my stash, and I picked these up from Tuesday morning. And the dye I use, which is from Diamond Dyes, I use this banner nesting die. So getting back to my project, I use one of their cutouts. It say, "Oh, happy day." I use some bling around it. I use this sticker with the birds and the flowers. So that's the first page. Here's the second page I made. Butterfly, the cutout with some blings. Stickers from Dollar Tree, and the butterfly is also from Dollar Tree. Here's the third page, another cutout with some blings, the sticker from Dollar Tree, and the butterfly is also from Dollar Tree. And my last page, here's a cutout. And all the sticker and the butterfly is from Dollar Tree and the bling. So this is my first project. Okay? I'm excited how that turned out. My second one I made. Here's another flip book. Here's the charms that I have made. I made this little charm right here with some bees. Here's the tassel, and here's the little, let me see if I can hold it up a little closer. Trying to turn it so you guys can see it. And here's it say, "Made with love." And believe it or not, you guys, the hanging element is some earrings clip that I had in my stash with my my beading findings. So these are actually clips that you will make earrings out of, but it came to good use for a hanging element. So this is my first page, and I used that shaker. This is a shaker, you guys. See? And it says, "She believed she could, so she did." Here's the gold foil butterfly that I cut out with that Recollection mini punch. I just thought that was so pretty. There go the gold thread in the background. And this is from my stash, the crepe paper rosette that I had made. Next page, Dollar Tree stickers with some gold thread in the background. I got it popped up. And then in the back is another ephemera back here behind this sticker. Here's the next page with some bling. Dollar Tree butterfly. I put a piece of bling on the butterfly. And it said, "Never grow old." Did I say? Yeah. And the last page say, "Once upon a time." I did a fussy cut out on this pretty paper collection. I used the Dollar Tree butterfly again, and I used some blings over here. So that is my second tag. And the last tag I have made. Isn't that stinky cute, you guys? I just love this paper. I really didn't have to do much because the paper had beautiful elements on there. So here's the tassel right here with another charm, say wonderful. It also have made with love. And then here's the pearl beads that I had made. I just love this paper, so I didn't want to cover it up because I love the butterfly in the background. And then I just put a few blings on here, and I put some sentiment up here, say wonderful life. Next page. Here's some more of the Dollar Tree stickers, and it say beautiful. Third page, bling up here. It say pretty. One of my rosette I made out of crepe paper with a butterfly Dollar Tree and some more of that gold thread. And I put some bling at the bottom. And like I said, on this collection, I didn't have to do much because the paper speaks for itself. And the last page I used this Dollar Tree sticker, say live for today, with some bling. So yes, you guys, I'm excited how everything had turned out. I hope y'all like my outcome. I was really inspired by Bona. And if you don't know who Bona is, go over to her YouTube channel and show her some love. Her YouTube channel is Live, Love, and Scrap. And you guys, I would like to see what you had created. You are welcome to play along. All you have to do is name your video with hashtag 757CWA and company, and use those Dollar Tree stickers so we will be notified when you have upload a video. So with that being said, you guys, be safe, get the crafting, and you all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.